Have you ever wished that someone special thought about you as much as you think about them? While you can't control someone's mind, you can create moments, actions, and emotions that naturally make them think of you. In this video, we'll explore practical, respectful, and effective ways to keep yourself on their mind without being pushy or manipulative. Let's get started. 1. Be unforgettable by being yourself. Authenticity is powerful. When you show up as your genuine self, you're more likely to leave a lasting impression. Don't try to be someone you're not. People remember those who are real, unique, and true to themselves. Authenticity is magnetic and makes others want to know more about you. 2. Create positive experiences together. Shared moments are what people remember most. Whether it's a fun outing, a heartfelt conversation, or even a small act of kindness, these moments can create emotional connections. Positive experiences will naturally make them associate good feelings with you and think about you when they're reminiscing. 3. Give them space to miss you. As much as you may want to spend all your time with them, it's essential to give them space. When you're constantly around, there's no room for them to think about you. Taking a step back occasionally allows them to miss your presence and appreciate you more. 4th, show genuine interest in their life. People love talking about themselves, and when you show genuine curiosity about their passions, dreams, and experiences, it leaves a strong impression. Asking meaningful questions and actively listening can make them think about how valued they feel when they're around you. 5. Be supportive and encouraging. Being someone they can rely on creates an emotional connection. Cheer for their wins, support them during challenges, and remind them of their strengths. When you're a source of positivity and encouragement, they'll think about you whenever they need comfort or motivation. 6. Surprise them with thoughtful gestures. Thoughtful surprises don't have to be extravagant. It could be a simple note, remembering an important date, or giving them something that shows you're paying attention. These small acts make people feel special and leave a lasting impression. By staying authentic, creating memorable moments, and showing genuine care, you'll naturally occupy their thoughts. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into building deeper connections. See you in the next video.